style, drop it in a fashion. Everywhere I go, I bounce the reggae man. Play me reggae music and turn down Babylon. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. I come from Mumbai, I'm a true Jamaican. Come a Kingston and me join a reggae band. Travel Africa, travel Japan. Me mother proud of me, so she just know my man. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. Hey. So everywhere I jump, it is the same question. No come a big music, go from a little island. When the music playing, leave them in a state of shock. The big music from the little rock. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Watch me now. Take them high, take them low, take them any place they wanna go. Reggae music, choke them, love it so. Swing them from them head right down to them toes. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Alright. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hey. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. 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 One, say. Hey.
Woo, woo.
So I'll make another request to our producers that could just sit here and listen to that band until 8:30.
Third
They
world.
are strong enough. They have enough songs. As a matter of fact, I could listen to 12:30, and they would are still strong enough. Welcome everyone
Welcome.
to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Third World in the house. Great to have them with us this morning, and they'll be here until 8:30. Again, we might just sit here until 8:30 and listen. We welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. What a great start to this Wednesday morning. It is Band Wednesday, and an outstanding group with us. They've been around for a long, long time. They've had many fantastic hits, and I'm certainly going to hear some this morning. You just heard one. What's up?
Good morning, Mr. Bell. Good morning, Jamaica. Again.
How are the young ones?
My young ones are fine, and I join you in saying it is so nice to sit and listen to Third World. Not everybody has that kind of opportunity, but you do this morning. So as Neville said, they will be back. It's a great Band Wednesday already. And so stick and stay until 8:30 if you can. Good morning to all the children waking up. Some of you are still on holiday. Some of you are back to school this morning. We're wishing you a safe journey on your way to your educational institution. Have a great morning, young people. Have a great day. But we're going to kickstart it the right way by saying, smile, all right? Be happy, love yourself, hug yourself, and know that you are born for greatness.
Yeah, I want to say good morning to educator Althea Bromfield, who is from in the rural area. I have a good friend and principal and all kinds of stuff. I got your message the other day, Althea, so thanks again for keeping in touch, and I hope that I will see you pretty soon. What's on the show this morning? Let me tell you what's up this morning. We get your sweet tooth filled when the brain behind Ali's sweet fantasy stops by.
And are those sweet deals really sour? We put the popular get-rich-quick schemes under the microscope this morning. Are they truly genuine?
I thought we were finished with that.
No, because people are always looking for a way to make money. And big up to all my partner friend them, always begging me. Pay up.
And we genuinely can't wait to hear more from Third World. They're transforming the Smile stage to a concert stage this morning.
They're
Really
so
good
seasoned.
stuff. Yeah.
It's a thing when you played so many countries, so many stages.
Yeah.
You could just, they're just so at ease. They're just so cool and composed. Anyway, moving on. And they're making a concerted effort to transform lives. We'll find out exactly how correction services work. And we have to give credit where credit is due.
It's Credit Union Week. But do you know exactly what that entails? We get the facts. Facts. Just for you. But before we get anything, we're going to do some hot topics. I'm not certain which cultural group this is because it says some children were smiling from ear to ear after they witnessed the performance of the prominent cultural group during the 51st concert season. Now the children are mainly from Marvelly, the Central Branch All-Age School, Clancarty High School in Kingston, and they danced and sang to the renditions, I'm told, of revival music, Kumina, traditional festive work and play songs depicting traditional values and historical events. Apparently the intention each year is to allow the children who are from inner city communities and from school in inner city areas to have an opportunity to enjoy and appreciate aspects of Jamaican folklore and traditions that they may not be either familiar with or fully understand. So says the president of the Rotary Club of Trafalgar New Heights, which organized the attendance of more than 100 children to attend the concert, and they got support from the NCB Foundation, the Sagicor Foundation, JN Money Services Limited, and the Joan Duncan Foundation. This is coming from the president, Janelle Pantry Coke. They say through the songs they get to see history come to life and be confident and proud of their heritage and the qualities that define us as Jamaicans. Well, that must have been really wonderful for the kids.
And yes, I mean, I hope we keep our culture alive, not just on Heritage Weekends. But let's go to this next one. It's on the front page of the Gleaner right here. 20 Zozos are coming. Zosos are coming. Anti-crime initiative to roll out in hotspots across the island. The Andrew Holness administration has announced that it is laying the groundwork to roll out these anti-crime measures in the 20 crime hotspot communities. Now I'm thinking 12 parishes, how many, where are these 20 hotspots, huh? Where are these 20 hotspots and what's going on? The Prime Minister has said that the Finance Ministry is working on the budgetary allocations that will be required to sustain the measures while the security forces undertake the major recruitment drive. We have been hearing about that. We need more people in the force. So that's what's going on. And there is also an extension to the Zone of Special Operations in Mount Salem, St. James for an additional 60 days. We are also hearing that over the period of September 2017 to October 2018, the community experienced no murders or shootings. The Prime Minister also shared. So, boy, my people, Mount Salem is quite different, the Prime Minister declared, than what it was before they went in. Now, the real question at hand is, after we've implemented another 20 zones of special operations, how long do we have to stay? How much is it going to cost us, the taxpayers? When is crime going to end? Is this really the only way? Either way, I'm glad that murders have reduced because of it. And if that's what it's going to have to take, and that's the money we have to pay to live in a peaceful Jamaica, then I'm all with the special zones, the zones of special operations. You, Neville?
I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. All right. This lady, Sonia Binns Lawrence, she's given blood 100 times. She started doing that back in the 80s. She says she has been giving blood since 1980s. I feel energetic and alive, she says, and I feel like I've accomplished a lot by helping others who really need it. It is good to open a blood bank account. You will help to ensure that blood is available whenever you or your loved ones need it. Don't wait until the appointed time. And she continues by saying, I would encourage people so they know that the blood they give today may save their life tomorrow. It's good to give. You don't have to jump into a burning building to save someone. You can make a difference in your little corner by giving blood. Congrats, 100 times. Brilliant. And the last one.
What else is going on?
President Donald Trump is in the news. Oh, surprise there. And he's threatened to cut financial aid to Honduras.
Right. There you go. And you know, we get a lot of our news because of Trump's tweets, just so you know. In a tweet posted on Tuesday, Mr. Trump said that the country's president was told funds would be cut immediately. Ah, boy.
Yeah.
And you know, we all know Honduras has a long history of poverty and corruption. It also has one of the highest murder rates in the world.
Yeah.
Boy.
There you go. All right. Time for some birthdays. Well, my brethren is back. Respect brethren, because a long time I don't see it. Outstanding Everald Harrow is back. Happy birthday to my darling wife, Sonia Toller. Wishing you a blessed and prosperous future, it says, from your loving husband, Mikey Toller, former National Center forward. And here she is. So, Mrs. Toller, certainly hope that you have an absolutely brilliant day today. I pray you live to see many, 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 many more. There you go. Nice picture. Enjoy yourself. It looks like you're old enough to have some wine and stuff, so nobody can't tell you nothing. Happy birthday also to Veleta. Her birthday was yesterday, and it's from your daughter Dana and your son Darren. Here's Veleta right there. Again, another beautiful picture. Again, hope you had a great day. I pray you live to see many, many more. Yesterday also was Rashida Williams' birthday. Rashida, hope you had a great day. Your greetings coming from your dad, your mom, your two godmothers, the family. It says especially Auntie Maxine, all your cousins and family and friends. And the final one I have this morning is happy birthday to Devona Miller. Devona, nice name. She's the block rep of the Angels of Genesis at the University of the West Indies. It says it's from the Gites. They love you. I love you too. Devon, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day today, and I pray that you live to see many, many, many more. So, yeah, you're at university, so you're old enough to have some wine and some cake and stuff. So enjoy your day, Devon, and wish you many, many more.
I just want to say good morning, as usual, to all the children out there. Again, happy birthday if it's your birthday today. Be blessed. Know that we love you. All our children in children's homes, in state care, foster homes, or just children waking up and it's your birthday and you feel no one loves you. Do know that somebody here at TVJ loves you. So have a great day. Mwah.
Happy birthday.